Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Brat Man, and I'm back with the awesome 88 RM250 RM250 Beast. God, I love this bike. This bike is just so awesome. So I'm back again. I want to thank all you guys for all the likes and subscribers and everything. I really appreciate it. It's definitely awesome. And so here we have the 88 RM250, great bike, two-stroke. Major changes in 1988. They dropped these radiators were lowered down a little bit. Better center of gravity was put together on this bike, and it was known as the King of Leapers, and that's what it was. It was the King of Leapers. So we're gonna do a cold start on this beast. Get some two-stroke sound getting out of her pipes, and let's get it rolling here. All right, I'm back. Let's start her up. Cold start, ice cold. Well, it's really hot out today. Well, I wouldn't say ice cold. I'm going to start it with no choke. Should start up. I don't think it needs a choke. Sold out. She don't want to stay running. A little temperamental today, I guess. Let's fire it back up. Trying to angle the camera. Here we go. Holy crap. Jesus Christ. I hate bees, man. Can't stand them. Stalled out. So here she is, 1988 RM250. It was a nice day today. Just really, really hot though. But I mean, it's beautiful. The sky, nice and blue, clear sky. I gotta get this thing out in the trail, man. I gotta get it out. It's been sitting. That's why it's running funny, because it just doesn't get ridden enough. Doesn't get ridden like it should. So I gotta get this beast back out. So many bees out here. Jesus. So 88 RM250. Gonna get this bike out on the trail sooner or later. Just waiting. I don't think I put some Marvel mystery oil in the gas tank just to clean up the carb a little bit. I don't think it needs to be like rebuilt or anything, because it runs out like a beast. I don't know if this carburetor needs to be, you know, taken off or cleaned out. I'm not sure. It has power, but the idle's a little goofy though. I've been having a problem with the idle lately. It was too high, then it was too low, and it's too high again. And they make this screw a little goofy here because it's got a bolt. You have to loosen the bolt first. So you have to loosen this bolt first and then turn that Phillips right there. That's how you adjust it. Then you retighten that bolt and that keeps it where it is. So it's a big freaking carburetor. I know that for a fact. This thing is just a beast. Absolute beast. So yeah, I figured I'd do a quick video on this. I don't want to be too long. It's really hot out here. I'm trying to keep this video at least 10 minutes. No longer than that really. But Just wanted to do a quick video of this beast. I just don't get it out enough. So I'm going to get this thing out on the trail and do a video. I might have a camera crew, I don't know, we'll see what happens with that. But everything I do is just solo, just me. I don't have I'm not fancy, don't have all that fancy editing stuff and all that, you know what I mean? Just what you see is what you get with my channel, just me, bike, no music, you know, that's it. That's all you're gonna get. So here's the infamous beast. Man, she looks so good. I'll be back with another video, and I want to thank you guys out there for all the likes and everything. I appreciate it. And if you've been following my channel, that's awesome. And if you like the channel, like and subscribe. I'll be back with some more videos. And signing off, 88 RM250. I'll be back with another video on this, and stay tuned. See you.